Today's 20th of May, market open positive, and after the initial upward move, it fizzled out and actually trade in tight range, up 5 points to close at 3109 with below average volume. Now over here we have a very deep retracement, and of course this is in reactions to the COVID measure that was announced, and there was this panic selling. Notice the high volume, and followed by a throwback, and we have this gap here which is generally nice. Now this gap will provide some kind of support, which is at 3080. Immediate resistance is actually at this level, which is actually very significant, tested on many occasions. That is at 3140, 3145. Now the fact right now market is trading below 1326, so it's a bit more challenging, so likely to be choppy as well. So it's important to be measured in our trading. Now let's take a look at the obvious strong stocks. This is iFast. Over the last 3 days, it actually moved up quite significantly with increased volume, and the process actually make an all-time high. Look for a pullback here, and look for setups to go long. Grain Ventures. Mentioned in the video that this is nervous selling. It's quite evident because we have a huge bar here, but the volume is not extremely high. This is more like aberrations in reactions to the news, and we managed to recover, and today bashed through this high here. This is a small deeper breakout with increased volume, which is positive. Look for pullback here, and look for new setups to go long. This is Q&N Dentist. Mentioned in the last video, we have a triangle consolidation breakout. Again, this is in reactions to the COVID restrictions, and we have a counter attack and managed to actually break this high here and follow through with a gap. And today is ex dividends and it's still trade positive, so this is a positive development. Now this happens to be the high volume area, which is at 685, and it's important to trade above this. And we'd like to actually look for a setup here to eventually go long. Now we also see a extremely strong move in Sheng Siong, and right now of course it's pulling back after the extension bar. This is huge bar, and it's perfectly normal to have this pullback. Currently the bars are staying near the top of this bar. Again, it may take some time to digest this move. Eventually look for a break above this high here of 168. Tianjin, very nice run, followed by low volume pullback. Notice actually the volumes dried up during the pullback. This is a 2 inside day. This is a contract setup. Bar high here is at 102, which is above $1 psychological resistance. PropNet, mentioned before, this stocks is better to trade on the daily chart, weekly charts. Now anyway, on the daily charts we do see a very huge bar here, so this is something we should actually take note of and perhaps take some profit here. Take a look at the weekly chart. This is what happens. Long dated doji, kind of uncertainty. Daylight is also huge. This week itself is not able to close well. Again, this is a sign of losing momentum and may trade sideways, close up the daylight. Another stocks that is holding pretty well, again, that is probably better to trade on the weekly chart, is Union Gas. Notice over here we have this range expansions, and right now it's trading sideways. This is a big dipper setup, but notice there was a break to this week, but momentary break didn't close well. So far the pullback bars, the volumes are actually low. Alright, or whatever the case may be, we'd like to actually wait for it to finish its consolidation. Look for a break above this high here of 86 cents. Now again, on weekly charts, you just need more patience for the chart to develop. Let's turn our attention to the tech stocks. In particular, it's actually Franken appear to be the strongest among the tech stocks. Notice extremely strong move, and at this level here it met some resistance, and this likewise for today, but volume is low, which is generally positive. Again, like to actually wait for it to finish its pullback and eventually take out this high here 168. We want to ride on this momentum. Now remember, this is actually trading within a channel, So breaking this channel will change the characteristics of this upward move. If you compare to the others tech stocks, they are extremely weak. This is UMS. Notice very deep corrections, and we have again a wide range reversal bar here that negate this positive move. So a bit messy. Notice the moving average are also not in order.